We've all found ourselves in conversations that start off friendly but quickly turn into heated arguments, leaving us feeling attacked and manipulated. The narcissist may twist our words and employ various tricks to make us appear foolish. In today's exploration, we'll dissect conversing with a narcissist, revealing strategies to defend yourself in any argument, especially when faced with a narcissist. Disclaimer: this analysis is not an endorsement of either individual, but a breakdown of tactics used in argumentation. Key tactic. Number 1. Recognizing fight mode. The first step in defending against a narcissist is to identify when they enter fight mode. Obvious signs include shouting or frequent interruptions, but there's a subtler tell. If someone labels you or your views as an issue before understanding them, or if they initiate an argument without seeking your perspective, be cautious. These are indicators that you're dealing with someone determined to dominate the conversation. It's essential to be vigilant in observing both explicit and subtle cues that signal a shift in the conversation dynamics. If an individual begins categorizing your views as problematic without a genuine attempt to comprehend them, it's a clear indication that they have transitioned into fight mode. Furthermore, if they engage in argumentation without seeking your perspective, it suggests an inclination towards dominance rather than a sincere exchange of ideas. Key tactic. Number 2. Beware of conversational traps. One common trap a narcissist will use is misquoting, a tactic that makes it easier for the other person to attack a distorted version of your views. Pay close attention to slight tweaks in your words, as these can significantly alter their meaning. If you suspect misquoting, re-establish your original viewpoint before defending it. Misquoting is a subtle yet potent trap employed by conversational manipulators. By distorting your words, they create a strawman argument that is easier to attack. It requires keen observation to catch these subtle tweaks, as they may go unnoticed if you're not attentive. When misquoting occurs, the key is to recognize it promptly and reassert your original viewpoint before delving into a defense. Key tactic number 3. Handling interruptions effectively. Derailing interruptions is another tactic employed by narcissists. They are expert in manipulating any conversation to their favor. To counter this, consider 3 approaches. 1. Pause and acknowledge. Stop, acknowledge the interruption, and calmly return to your point. 2. Preempt interruptions. Anticipate interruptions and politely request to finish your statement before they respond. 3. One finger stop gesture. If interruptions persist, use a simple one-finger stop gesture to signal your need to complete your thought. Avoid becoming the interrupter yourself, as this hinders constructive dialogue. Handling interruptions requires a strategic approach to maintain control over the conversation. By pausing and acknowledging interruptions, you not only assert your right to speak, but also subtly encourage a more respectful exchange of ideas. Preempting interruptions demonstrates assertiveness, setting the expectation for uninterrupted communication. The one-finger stop gesture serves as a visual cue, signaling the importance of completing your thought. However, it's crucial to avoid falling into the trap of becoming the interrupter, as this can hinder the goal of constructive dialogue. Key tactic number 4. Stay calm and relaxed. Maintaining composure is crucial in any argument, especially if you are against a narcissist. By staying calm, you can think more clearly and spot logical gaps in the other person's argument. Physically relax, release tense muscles, and take deep breaths to signal to your brain that you're safe. Staying calm in the face of confrontation is a powerful tool. It allows you to think more clearly enabling you to respond thoughtfully rather than reactively. Physically relaxing, releasing tension, and engaging in deep breathing exercises send signals to your brain that you are not in imminent danger, promoting a state of calm. This, in turn, enhances your ability to navigate the conversation with a clear mind and focused intent. Hello, viewers. Can I ask you a quick favor? Could you please hit the subscribe button? Your support significantly boosts our visibility on the YouTube algorithm, and it will only take a second if you do so. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I will see you there. Let's proceed with tactic number 5, shall we? Key tactic number 5. Recognizing logical gaps. Be vigilant for logical gaps, moments where there is a flaw in the other person's reasoning. Remember that narcissists are waiting for you to make mistakes to take advantage. So, you should also be vigilant with what you say and the logic behind it. Analyze the premises of their argument to catch any inconsistencies. Stay calm, as getting emotionally involved may hinder your ability to spot these gaps. Logical gaps can be subtle or glaring, but they often reveal weaknesses in the argument's foundation. To identify these gaps effectively, it's essential to remain vigilant and composed. Analyzing the premises of the other person's argument is a critical step, as it allows you to pinpoint inconsistencies and question the validity of their reasoning. Emotions can cloud judgment, so maintaining a calm demeanor enhances your ability to recognize and address these logical gaps with precision. Key tactic number 6. Establish common ground. Acknowledging common ground can help de-escalate tension and steer the conversation back to a positive tone. Even in the heat of an argument, find areas of agreement to foster a more constructive dialogue. Establishing common ground is a powerful technique to de-escalate tension and create a foundation for constructive dialogue. Identifying shared beliefs or viewpoints, even in the midst of disagreement, fosters a sense of connection. This acknowledgement of commonality can serve as a bridge to steer the conversation away from conflict and towards understanding. It's a strategic move that not only diffuses tension, but also opens the door for a more cooperative and positive exchange of ideas. Key tactic number 7. Drawing conversational boundaries. If you are dealing with a narcissist, it's crucial to establish and assert your boundaries in a conversation. If a topic makes you uncomfortable, politely express that you're not comfortable discussing it. This prevents the conversation from veering into areas you'd rather avoid. Setting and maintaining boundaries in a conversation is an essential skill for self-preservation. Politely communicating your discomfort with a particular topic sends a clear signal that certain subjects are off-limits. This not only protects your emotional well-being, but also steers the conversation toward more productive and respectful avenues. Drawing these boundaries is an act of self-care, ensuring that you engage in conversations that align with your comfort and values. Key tactic number 8. Give yourself permission to change your mind. One of the most significant aspects of healthy discourse is the freedom to change one's mind. Grant yourself permission to evolve and update your opinions. Embrace the idea that changing your mind is a sign of growth and maturity. The ability to change one's mind is a testament to intellectual flexibility and growth. Granting yourself permission to evolve and adapt your opinions is an empowering practice that reflects a commitment to personal development. Embrace the understanding that changing your mind is not a sign of weakness, but a demonstration of your capacity to learn, reassess, and refine your perspectives over time. This openness to change fosters a dynamic and constructive approach to engaging in meaningful conversations. Winning an argument with a narcissist involves a combination of awareness, composure, effective communication strategies, and the ability to draw boundaries. By mastering these skills, you can navigate conversations with confidence and resilience. Remember, the goal is not just to win the argument, but to foster understanding and promote healthy discourse. See you